Hello, my name is Sydney Conte and welcome to my channel Thunder Writings. Today I will be reading you one of my pieces, one of my artworks, and the piece is called Are You Gonna Fly, Small Bird? Hope you enjoy. Are you gonna fly, small bird? Are you gonna show the heights you can reach? Are you? Today a bird clipped his wings. All it saw was bullet-shaped leaves leave its body, taking away all innocence it had with it. Bird flaps with wings, flexes back to generate more force, contorts sound box to produce sound. It thinks it's a sound of defiance. All that can be heard is pain. Just pain. Today a bird is falling. Ground coming closer. Bird wishes someone will help. Bird thinks someone will help. Bird hopes someone would help. But no one does. No one does. Are you gonna fly, small bird? Are you gonna reach the heights you can reach? Are you gonna reach the sky? Are you? I sing these words to this bird, lying on the floor, helpless, in pain. See, I sing these words knowing that I'm falling too, and if this war continues, I fear I'll hit the ground like this little bird.